Okay, so I'm replacing these things, the little steering wheel covers, on my Silverado. If you ever want to replace them, what you want to do is remove this first, and you'll need a screwdriver that's small enough to fit into these little holes right on the side here. And what you're going to do is you're going to push this spring back. That'll allow you to take that. That'll let you take the airbag out. Basically what you're doing, you're taking your screwdriver and you're pushing on these things. Hold on. I took this out already. Basically you're putting it in the side right here, and you're pushing on these things and pushing them in so you can release it. So then after that, you're going to need a T30 and take all four of these out, and then take this little flag piece off of right here, contactor plate, and then pull your contactor plate out. And then you're going to need a T15 to take these out. So I left that one in there. And all you got to do is wiggle it out. Pull that out. And then they should come out. There we go. Should just come out. Oh yeah, and if this touches any metal, it'll honk your horn. So anyway, these come out. Then you take this off and then just swap it.